guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Aunt Paige, and today I have another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of Claire's makeup. I have 3 things because this big thing has everything I need in it. Well, not everything, but they also didn't have the other stuff. I'll tell you in a little bit. So here's the palette. This big thing. It has shadows here and here. It said shadows, so I'm guessing. So blush, contour, whatever that is. Highlighting, more blush, and I don't know. Glosses, eyeshadows, and brushes. Has everything, really. Then they didn't have any foundation, concealer. They didn't have brow products. They had mascara, but I got these lashes. They are magnetic lashes, so liner, and then you just kind of put them on. It's cool. Then I got setting spray. And I got 3 items, and it also had a sale. Get 3 free. So I got some scrunchies. So let's get on to this makeup look. First thing I'm going to start off with is going into my palette because I have nothing else. I'm just going to open it, and there's like these little seals on it. So I'm just going to open that. See, this plastic thing is on it. So, these are the brushes they gave me. This long brush, I'm guessing for blush and highlight and contour maybe. It feels nice. It feels really soft. This is what it looks like. Then they gave me this little one, probably for, I don't know why I did that. Feels nice. These brushes do feel nice. Then they have another brush. These brushes sort of look like the bottom to my brushes that I have. See? The bottom of mine, and then the bottom of theirs. Then next, my worst enemy. If you've seen my doing a full face of Ulta testers, you know where these are from. They gave you some. I hate these things. I rather use brushes, but they gave them to me, so I'm just gonna use them. But they do feel nice, and they're not gonna be itchy on my skin. Hope. Since I do a lot of neutral looks, I've never ever put bright colors on me. I think I'm gonna take these blues and do me a look. So first thing I need to do, I need to start with the base color. So I'm gonna take this one, this blue from the palette, and we're just gonna do it. We're gonna swatch it first. So these are actually pretty pigmented, so I guess I'm gonna take these little mini brushes, because I'm trying not to use the other thing, and just put this in my crease. Oh wow. So if you're wondering if I look this way, this is where my mirror is, like normal. This is honestly blending out pretty nice. With this tiny little brush, I'm gonna take forever. This blue is blue. I've never done blue before, so it's kind of stepping out of my comfort zone. Well, like I said, I only do neutral colors. So it's kind of different for me. I don't know how to style, like, really do this. I'm not that good at makeup, but I learned on the way. Next thing I'm going to do is take this shade and pop it like right here and here maybe? Don't know yet. I'm still thinking. But definitely gonna put it in here because it's where it's supposed to. It just looks like I just put on blue on my eyes. This shade I'm putting like right here and here kind of look like the other shade I put on my crease, and honestly I don't really like it. It just may be because I don't know how to do makeup. But let's just put it in this. I'm gonna take this one. There's a hair on it. And I'm gonna take this blue shimmer shade. I don't know how to do makeup when it comes to fun colors like these, because what I do is just use shades that don't really show and hope for the best that no one can tell I don't know how to do makeup. Next I'm going to take this brush and put blush on my face. Oh. Look at that. Where'd it go? How are you supposed to do blush with this? Oh. That just looks like, I don't know. Next thing I'm gonna do is put on those lashes. Maybe I can make this look better. Probably not. I'm probably gonna make myself look uglier. We're more like a clown. This is what they look like. I've always wanted to try some of these. How do you... What? Magnetic liner. So I'm just gonna line my eyes real quick. Then we'll watch the magic, I guess. So I have one eye lined. And we're just gonna take the one that goes for it off of the thing. And I guess onto my eye. What? Yeah, these lashes did not work, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications. And if you like this video, watch my other videos. Bye.